Alright, so I look crazy right now. I'm headed to the gym, but I'm finally getting back on my gym grind. I have been so bad lately because I've been sick. I think I'm still a little sick. You can kind of hear it in my voice. I am looking rough, but gonna go to the gym, and then the farm has like 2 new like rescue bunnies, I guess you could call them. And so I'm gonna go check on them first, give them some water, give myself some water. I have 2 bunnies of my own, and I have an extra like big old water thing, and it is freaking hot out here in Georgia, so I'm just gonna make sure they have plenty of water, and then we're gonna head to the gym. I'm also gonna cut their toenails because when we got them, their nails are like this long, so they clearly have not been kept up with. So yeah, let's go check on some bunnies. All right, here goes nothing. I had to catch them first. Ow! Ow! She is fighting me. Is she okay? She just tore me up. It's okay. You're gonna be so much more happy. You're gonna be so much happier. Trust me. Almost done. Y'all, if y'all could, can y'all see how long? Oh, goodness. There's so much hair on me now. All right, you're all done. Y'all, growing up, I would always get the McDonald's bacon, egg, and cheese bagels, and they discontinued them forever ago. And they finally brought them back, and I'm about to get one. And a mocha frappe as my little treat for the day. I'm so excited. So, as a lot of you already know, I am single. I live alone with my dog and my 2 little bunnies that are right there, enjoying the sunlight like I'm about to do. I've got my little floaty that you can like put water in, and it's like a pool so that you can tan. You know, the one that they promote on Tik Tok shop all the dang time. So yeah, this is what I do when all my friends are busy and I need to get some sun. But I don't want to go swim in the pond by myself, because I usually swim in the pond. We've got a pond like literally right by the orchard over there, and I usually swim in the pond, but today I'm just gonna relax in the yard with my bunnies and my bloodhound. So yeah. Wow, this is so much better. I feel so much better with makeup, hair done, outfit on, of course, who wouldn't? So it's Sunday. I am all ready for church. I seriously look forward to Sunday every weekend because I just really love getting dressed up. I really love the Lord and going to church, and I just really look forward to it. So yeah, Rebel is snoozing on my bed. I didn't end up doing a lot this weekend. I took it really chill. So not much footage was gathered. But today is a new day. Actually not sure what I'm doing today either other than church. Might film some content with Marissa around the farm. Not sure. Probably check on the bunnies, make sure they're doing good, and the rest of the animals. I just looked at myself in the mirror and I am so bloated. Ah. I wish I was just pregnant. Like, I honestly do wish I was pregnant. Like, I want a baby so bad. I hear Trix meowing for me outside. But anyway, I'm gonna go get a coffee. I have like this Sunday morning routine where I go to Parker's, which is like this little gas station chain. Get a coffee. They have the best coffee to me. And then go to church early, get there early, get a good seat, like to be front. And then I usually go grocery shopping afterwards, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that today. So much fun! So I got my little bunnies outside. I try to bring them out as much as I can because I do research on my pets, and I researched that they need vitamin D because I keep them inside. My hutch is inside, so one day I'm gonna have a little bunny house outside. That's like my goal. But anyway, come on, Rebel. So there are a bunch of wildflowers out here in the field, and I think they're so pretty, so I think I'm gonna pick some and put them in a vase for my house. Maybe it'll look pretty, maybe not. We'll see. But yeah, look how gorgeous my little driveway is. There's my little trailer. I live double wide. So, gonna pick some wildflowers with Rebel. I am checking on these bunnies again. It looks like something is like trying to dig its way into their little home and get them. We've had such a problem with predators, I guess you can call them, like foxes and what else you can name coming. That would be Donk, and she loves it when I come to see her, so she's just excited. All right, I'm trying to prop this up for you guys. Make sure they have plenty of water, and I'm also going to do a little bit of raking. I feel like these bunnies are trying to either escape or something's trying to get them. have a hen in here laying on eggs. Oh, she's laying on a lot of eggs. Oh. Alright. They're hiding. Hi, bunnies. Alright, they should be good. They've got plenty of water. Cool. This is Donk. Say hi, Donk. Oh goodness, it's like they need some food. Y'all, I have no idea why I did not think to get this on video, but I am like drenched in sweat right now because we just spent quite a bit of time trying to cut the donkey's feet because they were too overgrown and she has like white line, I think. But we try to keep it under control, and I mean, it was like a wrestling match. Like, honestly, should have probably hired a farrier, but we have the tools for it. And also, like, we feel like we scare the farriers off because our animals are crazy. So we just do it ourselves. But yeah, that was like a whole thing. So spent the morning trying to cut the dog's feet. Then I was checking on the bunnies, and they have like, me and Marissa found sinkholes like in their room. There's like holes in the ground that are like, I don't know, it's insane. So we're scared they're gonna like dig through the sinkholes and just bury out of the way. I'm letting Rebel out for lunch. I'm on my lunch break right now, so I'm letting Rebel out. I got Trix with me. Trix is the smartest cat alive. She like follows me everywhere. Come on, Trix. Trix! Come on, girl! She's like the smartest cat alive. She follows me everywhere. There's like this little tray here. Goes back into the woods and then goes all the way around the farm, basically. And she will follow me down this trail like a dog. So. It's got some nasty eye boogers. I am on farm store duty right now. It is Saturday. I don't usually work Saturdays ever, but there is a bunch of bikers, like almost like 1,500 bikers. Let me show you. This is one of their rest stops for their path, I guess. So I have the farm store open if they want to come get a water or honey. So happy Saturday. I'm listening to a podcast about the Karen Reed trial. So, yeah.
still got a hen laying on eggs. She doesn't want me near her. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Oh, Larry hates snakes too.
Okay, don't bring it in this.
We've got baby chicks. Look at all of them. They're so cute.